Hey everybody, Dr. Twomley here to share with you a few tips on clear aligner maintenance. A very common problem that we'll see people noticing that their trays aren't fitting all the way. So you can tell that they're not fitting all the way when there's a little clear edge along the bottom of your tooth there where it's just not quite sitting down all the way on your tooth. So the easiest solution for this to get them to press down against your tooth a little bit is to take some of these chewies that we give you, put them in between your trays, and then just kind of bite down and work all the way around. Sometimes you'll hear it click finally into place, and just kind of bite all the way together around both sides until you feel like they're fitting snugly against your teeth. There's no clear edges around your tooth there, and so that's fitting nice against your tooth. So the next thing, what we'll notice sometimes is every now and then a tray will feel a little bit rough or a little bit sharp on the corner on the edges. So kind of pinpoint your mouth where it's kind of rubbing against you, and what you can do, get you an emery board, find that spot, and then just go over with it and take away some of the edge off. These things are really sturdy, so you're not going to hurt anything. So go over it with an emery board, feel it with your finger, pop it back in, feel it with your lips, feel it with your tongue, make sure it's nice and smooth. Then put it back in, make sure it's seating down nice and snugly. And the last thing we'll talk about is how to keep these things clean. So you are changing these out every week, so they tend to get a little bit dingy by the end of the week, but you're going to switch to a new one. But what you should do every time you take them out to brush and to eat, ideally get a little bit of water on there at least, and just flush it out. Go around, clean the inside and the outside. If you're doing clear liners, it's okay to do this with toothpaste. If you have retainer, ideally you don't want to do this with toothpaste because it can kind of scratch and get a little dingy over time. So if you're doing Invisalign or other kind of clear aligner though, just get some toothpaste, make sure you're getting all the surfaces, getting it nice and clean. If they do get a little extra dingy, what you can do is you can get some cleaning tablets, or the Invisalign pack has some cleaning crystals that they include in it. Get you a cup of water, dunk the tablet or the crystals in, and then let them soak for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Rinse them off after that, and then pop them back in. They should be nice and clean and fresh to go. So those are all things you need to know about taking care of everything with your clear aligners.